Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update. Look at the monthly, man. This is an never ending, kind of a drop. Look at that. The only green candles out of this, like how many bars do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 months, and you only have 3 candles that were green, and you have 10 months of nothing more than blood. For Jasmy, it has been just like that. And the thing is that you keep on continuing to make the continuation patterns, 3 black crows again and again, back to back. December is about to close in 18 days. There's a lot of days to close December, and how do you close December really matters. So what's going to happen? I do think we're still looking for a drop below 33 and go to 2700 nearly, which is your technical target by December. And if you had to have a little bit of a green, maybe in January you could expect 1 green candle. You never know what's going to happen. I cannot guarantee you're going to have a green candle, but you can still have a little bit of a pumps on January, maybe make 1 green and then continue even lower. The problem with this is that I still see this being a continuation pattern on the monthly, and that's the issue, that this on the monthly is still a green pattern. We desperately need some sort of an inverted hammer on a monthly to try to print a reversal potentially, or a bullish bottom ladder, some sort of any sort of bullish reversal patterns on the monthly time frame. That's what we need. So there's nothing much to talk about. We still have this flag on the daily, and that flag is looking quite nasty, and really looking for that drop to the downside, which has been my technical target for the past 4 or 5 days. From there to there, bear flag, the top to the bottom right here, and this is your technical target that is about to actually come in, and that's going to be 3029. I don't know why it keeps changing, but yeah, we're looking for that 2900. 3000 to 2700 is what we're looking for. But before that, there could be just a little bit of a pull to the upside to 3794 if there was to happen. I can expect this to happen, and then from there go down. Tomorrow we have a big report for Fed meeting. I don't know if it's a report or a meeting or what, but we do have the Fed meeting. They're going to talk about the interest rates. So if the interest rates are going to be bad, then the crypto in general is gonna be looking to be bad in the next coming days. And that's pretty much it for this Jasmy update right now. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.